Welcome back to my Infinite Painter tutorial. Today we'll draw fully detailed anime eyes. First step is to draw a sketch of the type of eye you want to draw. It's necessary, because unlike traditional drawing we zoom in and pan around while drawing in digital art, so we lost track of the accurate size we want to draw. After you're finished with your sketch, lower the opacity of this layer, so we can trace it and draw the line art accurately. Create a new layer and draw the line art of everything except the iris. Keep the lines clean and smooth. Close all the gaps so we can fill color on it. Create a new layer and draw the iris on this layer. Select any light color you want. Just draw a circle and adjust it to your likings. Erase the excess part of the iris. Select the first layer and draw the eyelids on it. Create a new layer below the iris layer for the background. Fill the skin color on it. Create a new layer on top of the background layer and draw the white area of the eyes. Close all the gaps. Enable this option here, or it will fill color on the whole layer. We don't need the sketch layer now, so you can delete it if you want. Select the top layer and fill the black color on it. Create a clip layer for the iris layer, fill it with darker color and erase some part of it. Create one more clip layer and draw the pupil on it. Create a clip layer on top of this layer, add some pink shade in the lower side and draw blue reflection on the top of the iris. Use the magic wand to select the blue area only and add some darker shade of blue. Tap the red dot on the upper left side of your screen to deselect it. Select the first clip layer for the iris and add the darker shade on it as well. Create a new clip layer on the top for iris and set it to screen. Pick any color around this area and draw two vertical lines on the both sides. Now lower the opacity of this layer. Create a clip layer below this layer, add some white reflections. Use the soft airbrush to erase the hard edges. Lower the opacity of this layer and merge this layer to the layer below it. Create a clip layer for the eye white layer, draw shadows on both top and the bottom, then smoothen the hard edges using the eraser. It's time to add more details to the eyelashes. Create a clip layer for this layer and add some colors to it. Erase the excess parts. Create a clip layer for the background layer, add some blush around the eyes. Create a layer on the top, draw some hard reflection on it. On the white area, on the iris and on the cheeks. Create a new clip layer for the background layer, change its type to multiply and draw a skin shade on it. Keep this clip layer on the top. And it's complete. You can organize all the layer by creating folders, like for eyelashes, iris, for the white part, and for the background. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Your suggestions are most welcome.